insane. They just, this wasn't the scene first. It was a scene where I'm in premiere and Raghav comes to me and he's a big fan. He starts singing all of that. But it evolved through the scripting process into this. And then it was like intimacy coach.
Yeah.
And they actually were tentative. Would I play an intimacy coach? I was like, of course I'll play an intimacy coach. If I can't do it, no one else can.
Exactly.
So it was just a fun thing. And we didn't know that this thing is going to track this way. But it was good fun shooting. Raghav was great. All the actors directed it superbly.
But I heard your son is not very happy with it.
Yeah, he gets a little embarrassed about this.
Yeah, he doesn't want to be called an intimacy coach.
No, I know. He laughs about it also. He's like, Dad, come on. Intimacy coach. Come on.
No, it's a crazy show. In fact, both of you all have very close Shah Rukh associations also. I think on the murder set, Shah Rukh visited and he showed you a thumbs up, if I remember correctly. And he told you also that you'll become a star.
Yeah.
And when Yami got her IFA award for best debut for Vicky Donor, it was Shah Rukh Khan who was on stage.
Oh, yes.
Shah Rukh and Shahid were there.
Shahid were there.
It was your first
Madhuri
award
ma'am awarded, yes.
Vicky Donor.
Yes. Sorry, the award memory is just fading away now. But Shah Rukh's were never.
So many years. I mean, I've done a show also.
Yes, you've done a show also with them. Yeah. But since you said that, tell me, do awards matter for you? Or you all don't take award ceremonies seriously anymore? You all have seen so many.
Well, you should know what it is.
Huh.
It's an event. I mean, they don't really put in any. First of all, there's so many. I don't know how many there are. I think there are more than.
There are many.
There are many 20 or odd.
There are many.
You guys have awards?
We also have awards. Yeah, absolutely. We are legends. We have a jury. We have a jury. We go by the jury's verdict.
No, see, the thing is, I have no problem if people go there and they love that and they take the award and it's all good. It's perception, builds a sort of perception. But I think what's happened is been abused through the years and the credibility has dropped because the audience started snipping something in it. Everyone knows, and I realized very early in my career, आप अगर जाके perform करोगे वहाँ पे तो आपका हम award दे रही है. तो like, भाई ये कैसा award है?
ऐसा बोला है आपको?
हाँ, बोला था. ये कैसा award? I mean, on what basis? Then it's not really about your craft, right? It's on attendance, and it's just like the barter system, which I got to delude myself by taking the award and stash it on my shelf and say that, and clap for myself. That's delusional, and I don't want to be that dishonest. If there's something honest there, then I will go and take it. But not this year. It's a waste of my time. And